Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you what I do to get undressed for the day. I'm going to show you how I cleanse my skin at nighttime, how I prepare my skin for the night's sleep, and I'm also going to show you my favorite nighttime tea. So as we all know that taking off our lashes is the most relieving task when you're getting undressed for the day. Okay, so here I'm using a cleansing oil. I prefer to use a cleansing oil over makeup wipes because makeup wipes are filled with alcohol and that's just not good for your skin, especially if you're trying to remain hydrated. Then after you put the cleansing oil on, you need to mix it with water to emulsify it. And here I'm going to use that same oil to remove my lipstick. And because it's an oil, it's also moisturizing for your lips, so you get those added benefits there as well. And I'm going to remove the oil with a warm cloth. I'm trying to use something that's very soft so you won't have many micro tears in your skin. So this is considered my first cleanse. Now I'm going to go in with my second cleanse. Well, first I'm going to wet my face with water because you never want to apply a cleanser to a dry face. So this is the Caudalie Milk Cleanser. It's a hydrating cleanser, and I like to use hydrating cleansers or anti-aging cleansers. I try to stay away from cleansers that foam up because foaming cleanser can strip the skin of all the oils, and you want to keep all your good oils for hydration. So I'm going to massage this all over my skin, and then I'm going to bring in my cleansing brush. Now, a lot of people think when you use a cleansing brush that it aids in exfoliating, and it does not. A cleansing brush does exactly what it says. It cleanses the skin. So this is helping me cleanse off the dirt and makeup from my skin. It is not helping exfoliate the skin. Those are two different things. Cleansing and exfoliation differs in a way that exfoliation removes the dead skin cells and the buildup. You can actually clean buildup skin, so that's how they differ. You actually should exfoliate 3 times a week, and this isn't an exfoliation night for me. So I'm going to cleanse my skin and then hop in the shower. Now I'm out of the shower and I'm going to put on my nighttime attire, my fragrance, and my oil and lotion. Now that I'm out and I'm dressed, I'm going to go in with a mask, and the mask that I'm using is a Clarity Live Be Well Probiotic Pink Himalayan Salt Mask, and this mask purifies, detoxifies, balances, and revitalizes the skin. Some masks require steaming, some don't. This one I want to steam because it's a detoxifying mask. So anything that detoxifies, you want to open up your pores, and that's what the steaming is doing. The steam is opening up my pores so that mask can penetrate deeper.
Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me, like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl,
so now I'm going to remove that mask with a cotton round.
I've been thinking lately it's you.
I could have possibly used a wet moist cloth, but I didn't want to walk back into the bathroom. So I'm just going to use a cotton round because I keep these at my vanity area. Now that the mask is off, I'm going to tone my skin, and I like to use the Mario Badescu Rose Toner. It's very hydrating. After the toner, I go in with my rose oil, and I only use this oil at nighttime. So this acts as a serum for me. Oils can be interchangeable with serums, so I'm getting all those great benefits from the rose oil. And rose oil is anti-aging. Now I'm going to use a rose quartz to massage in those nutrients and oils from the rose oil. This is a mini massage for the face, and massage is great as far as helping blood flow throughout the face. It also depuffs the skin and it illuminates the skin. So not only does this benefit the skin, it's also very, very relaxing. And then I use a smaller side to get under my eye because I want those benefits from the oil to seep under my eyes as well. Okay, and so moisturizer, I'm using the Clé de Vino Source Intense Moisturizing Cream. So as you see, I have a trend here of hydration at night. So I focus on hydrating my skin at nighttime. So I'm going to pick up with that massage technique and massage the moisturizer into my skin. So I'm going to use Rihanna's Gloss Bomb to apply to my lips because I don't want a shiny face and dry lips. Now I'm going to use that moisturizer and oil to moisturize my skin. So I'm going to go sit in the living room with Keisha. And there I am, all hydrated and ready for bed. So now I'm going to make my tea. So my nighttime tea choice is green tea with turmeric. It's very relaxing for me. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.